Hey guys, welcome to the install video of your saddlebag, small little saddlebag here on the Indian Scout Bobber. Pretty simple install, and here we go. So first off is the hardware. You have your two longer screws that mount the bracket to the bike. You have two Allen screws that mount the bag to the bracket. These two screws and a nut, I don't know what they're for this particular install. And then you have your bracket, and it also comes with like a plastic washer that goes over that. Your bracket, do note your arrow, so it needs to go forward, and you'll see it brings your bike or your saddlebag out a little bit to right there, so it doesn't some of the tools that you will need interfere with your taillight. I got an impact, not necessary, but they do have some Loctite on these screws. They can make it kind of hard to get off. You will need a number 6 Allen wrench head. This one's a security key, doesn't matter, it's number 6. And good old ratchet if we need it. And yeah, let's take her off. So first thing, nice and easy. Make sure you don't lose these. Granted, you don't need them again, but you never know. Now next, you need to put your bracket on first. So, put it in, you get your longer screws, and you get them in there. And one thing you might want to do, so you can see, it sits like that. You get this tightened up loosely with the, we'll get this tightened up loosely with the impact. Just make sure you don't strip these screws. Okay, now that is firmly on there. Next, you want to take your bag, open it up, bring it over to the bike. So what you're going to do is open this bag up, and there is a Velcro right here. It brings you to the screw holes on the back. So you want to line those up and make sure you don't want to use these ones. You want to use these ones because there's a nut on the back that is welded to the bracket. And this is where you take your Allen head screws, get it started. and then finish it off. Give it a nice little, make sure they're tight. You don't want this falling off when you're in. Now make sure you seal this up. Drop it back down in there. And that is, and these click on. Click, click, and that's how you install it. Gives you a nice little extra storage, and there you go. So one thing too is that you have these clips. Clip together and makes it a watertight seal. There. You roll it up and just like that. Now it's watertight in case you get rained on.